case ki bathmai ki bangi yo hadu mentaka si ki long nyau pusan pada kini ki nyau pusan na East Coast Hills ni yo arf kondai South Garo Hills iway North Garo Hills iway Southwest Garo Hills are East Garo Hills arf nyau West Garo Hills Khatsan pada kini Khatsan Khatway kidai na ki armed forces paramilitary forces pat sao kidai na ki way ki case ki bathmai ki bangidan hadu mentakasi gilong 6000 aspa RQR pada kini ki 6000 aspa RQR praspa sao punyo kidan hapo East Khasi Hills but nagini ki praspa sao punyo aspa prapulai gidei napo armed forces paramilitary forces sanspa andre pusau gidei na giwe West Khasi Hills sao pulai Southwest Khasi Hills mdan ribhoi ndre pufra ndre gidei napo ki armed forces paramilitary forces but ndre fuar kidai na giwe West Jaintia Hills are East Jaintia Hills Khat are West Garo Hills Shispa Prapunyo but nakini Shispa Prapunyo armed forces paramilitary forces Shispa Khatsao giwe nyo pulai Southwest Garo Hills lie South Garo Hills Khatway Panakini Khatway armed forces paramilitary forces kidai baro Khatway East Garo Hills Life Kundai North Garo Hills Shipho kibala recover mentakasi kilong Arpusan East Khasi Hills South kidai niki armed forces paramilitary forces West Jaintia Hills iway kidai niki others category kemon niki iway North Garo Hills South niki iway South Garo Hills R kidai niki iway Ribhoi Shipho iway napo armed forces but khandai niki iway West Garo Hills South line nagi BS nagi armed forces paramilitary forces but iway idei nagi iway baro kibala recover hadu mentakasi kilong praspa khandai but kibakhlad do kilong khandai hadu mentakasi apo East Khasi Hills arf khandai arfusan kidei ki high risk contacts sao kidei ki influenza like illnesses dan ki ILI cases South Garo Hills iway naki armed forces paramilitary forces North Garo Hills iway naki random sampling Southwest Garo Hills are random sampling East Garo Hills arfunyo naki random sampling West Garo Hills Khatsan Khatway naki armed forces paramilitary forces line naki random sampling but iway idei I returning random sampling hapo East Garo Hills kadi na Rongjeng but napo Songsak random sampling napo North Garo Hills kadi na Resubel Para Southwest Garo Hills kadi Mahendraganj random sampling kibadai hapo West Garo Hills dei hapo Fulbari East Khasi Hills pada kidan tang hapo Matfran hapo Police Bazar bada hapo Anjali Matfran kamdan case bawan kiwan tang hapo Police Bazar kiyo iway positive case bada hapo Anjali kiyo R positive case Kamakya compound kemut Anjali Nong Thamai, Maulai Nong Kuar, Armut, South Forlong, Jalupara, GS Road, Lower Moprem, Mauba, Barapathar nagani ka jaka lum pharnai, Laimer, Persilong, Bishnapur, Malki, Anjali, Nongse, Madan, Oakland, Mauba, Lumauri. ILI cases are from, one is from GS Road, Barabazar, Barapathar, IGP and Keating Road.